Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the scenic area surrounding John E. Pearce Provincial Park in Wallacetown, Ontario, where the beauty of nature meets the charm of rural Ontario. As you drive through this picturesque landscape, you'll be captivated by the serene environment and the rich history that defines this region. John E. Pearce Provincial Park is a stunning natural area that stretches along the northern shore of Lake Erie, one of the Great Lakes. This proximity to Lake Erie not only offers breathtaking views, but also influences the local climate, creating a mild and pleasant environment. The park is named in honor of John E. Pearce, a passionate conservationist who worked to preserve the natural beauty and ecological diversity of Ontario. As you journey through the countryside, you'll notice the lush farmlands and rolling hills that characterize this part of Ontario. The fertile soil and favorable climate make it an ideal location for agriculture, and you'll see a variety of crops and orchards as you drive. The park itself is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. It offers a wide range of recreational activities, from hiking and birdwatching to fishing and picnicking. The park's trails wind through diverse habitats, including woodlands, wetlands, and meadows, providing a home for a rich variety of wildlife. Whether you're passing through on your way to the park or taking a leisurely drive through the countryside, the area around John E. Pearce Provincial Park offers a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Thanks for watching!